In terms of what's the most satisfying, I think the beginnings of the mass tort era. Diethylstilbestrol, which was a drug which women were told would preserve their pregnancies. It was DES for short, and it was made by Eli Lilly. You know, I've still been involved with Eli Lilly all these days. Other manufacturers, Bristol Myers, jumped on the bandwagon, and several companies were making DES, but Lilly was the starter of it. But that Lilly, of course, must have me recorded in posterity, because the Lilly case with the Zyprexa, the whistleblower case, which is really what's very important now for people to come forward who know about illegal misconduct of these companies, and that, as you may be aware of, resulted in my success of a $1.4 billion payment back to the United States government, the largest single drug payment under the False Claims Act in the history of the government. Again, Lilly was the maker of Zyprexa, an antipsychotic, which was being marketed off-label, we call it, for uses which it had no use for. In fact, it was dangerous for. But you know, it's always a sense of accomplishment that's necessary in doing these things. You know, and I do some strange things. You know, I always say that the thing I would like to see, perhaps most of all, from the drug industry, is for them to develop a pill to diminish their own greed impulses. That would be a really good pill. I want to see the firm continue to raise those kinds of issues, look for the culprits in our society that are pursuing greed, and try to see what they can do to stop it.